Hi friends, it's Liz here at Liz the Paper Project. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me today. So I have a fun just share video. I received some of the zines for the zine challenge giveaway that I have on my channel. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it below in the description box. And I'll also have the other videos linked where I show you everything about a zine, what I do with a zine. And the last video I shared, I think it's before this one, I showed the latest little one that I've been working on. I probably will be working more on this one, and I will come back and show you what I'm doing with it, how I put it together. Because I think what I'm going to do is I'm also going to use this one as a zine that I can send in the mail. So it depends how many people I get, I receive, I should say, for the zine giveaway. I think I might do this every 3 months or so because I'm having so much fun with it. So in the video, I'm going to show you what has come in. And then I also thought I would show you a quick haul or thrifty haul that I recently did at one of my local thrift stores. I'm super excited about it. So let's get started with the entries. So the first one I'm going to show you is from Anna, and she is from, I'm just covering her name, from Alberta here in Canada. I'm just showing you her envelope. I love the color of the envelope. And this is her zine. So let's see. So she sent me all her details here so I know where it came from. So this is her little zine. I'll show you the front and back. I like that she's added those cute little butterflies on it. You can see the lovely details she has done to the front with the little layering, little florals. Love it. So we turn the page and there is a pocket in the top. So I like that she did the pockets on the top and sides. And then she's added a little bit of shimmer to this lovely tag. You see that shimmer there? Beautiful. I'm going to pop that back in. Hopefully this also gives you some ideas if you are going to be, joining the giveaway. There's still time. This will give you some ideas on the different ways that these can be made, which is what I love about it. And then here she's just added a little journaling spot. Love the little leaves there on that paper. There's a pocket that she's added to this page, and there's like a die cut added to it, which is another great idea. I'll turn the page here, and then you can see the like faux little postcard. A cute idea that she did there. And then here, there's another little tuck spot. Little tuck spot. And she's done some layering with some pieces there. And then here's another lovely tag. That is really cute. Love what you've done. Thank you so much, Anna, for entering the giveaway. Oh, I just dropped something from somewhere. Let's see. Oh, here we go. So looks like there's a little tuck spot there, and she's added some cute little pieces in here. Cute. So you can see there's just so many different ways of making these. She didn't sign it, so I wish you would have, but for sure I'll keep it together and make sure I remember who sent it. So thank you so much for entering such a cute little zine, and I love the idea. All right, next one is from Barbara, and she's also from Canada. Hi, Barbara. Let me show you what she did with the cute envelope. So she, I believe she used one of those printers that I have actually, that you don't need ink. I have done a few videos for some of them on my channel, so I'll show you those. I'll link them below, I should say, if you're interested. And look at this adorableness. Surprise. Oh, look, special issue free gift. So she's done this as if I've subscribed to a zine. And then this is the issue that has come in. What a cute idea, Barbara. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love that. And there's like she's added a little bit of this. Oh my gosh, I forgot the name of that. Y'all know what it is. So she's added that to keep it straight there. Oh my goodness. So the March 2023 special issue comes with a free gift with this issue. How cute, Barbara. I absolutely love it. So she's actually done a theme for a Kate Greenaway, and I guess she's added the images and then a little bit of detail about Kate, which is such a cute idea. So it's basically like I'm reading this magazine on this lady. And then here it says subscribe to Zine magazine. So she's got name, address, and tear here. Oh my gosh. And she's added like my address details as if I'm taking this off and I'm subscribing. Barbara, I love this. You're so inspiring and you're so creative with the way you do things. Now, another thing before I finish this, what I wanted to say is I'm so excited to be sharing these with all of you to show you what's coming in, because I know Barbara doesn't have, I know she's in my Junk Journals Canada group, I believe, and she doesn't have social media really, except like I think she shares on Facebook sometimes. So if I don't get these to show you, then you wouldn't really see her work, would you? And I get all these inspirational ideas from it. So thank you so much for entering. And oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then she's got a little bee there. And then here is, let me see what this is before I, okay, so she's included a little something with her address and details, which is a great idea. And then what is this? This is something covered with washi. So I guess this is the free gift that's included. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, and she's added all these like tiny little bits that go with it. What a cute idea. So I can make like the tiny little journals from this. Love, love, love this, Barbara. Thank you so much for entering. You've actually inspired me for future zines. I love that. Oh my gosh. Anyways, they were just lovely. Both had so much inspiration to share. So thank you so much for entering. If more come in, I will come back and show you. I believe my giveaway challenge is open till the 16th of April. So send them in. This is open international. Details will be in the video that I shared before. All right, so I'm going to put these away for now. So adorable. And let me just quickly show you what I recently found at my local thrift store. Things that, you know, I picked up, I kind of know I'm going to use at some point. So there's some recipe cards. Of course, I know I'm going to use these closer to fall, and super cute. So these were like 50 cents. And so I picked those up. And then I've always wanted to check these out. Now this one's like a little bit, you know, it's just, it tore, I guess, on the spine and stuff. But the idea is there because now I'm thinking this would be kind of a cool cover that I could remake and do something with. And then I love the idea of letters that are sealed for you. So this would be like a grandparent's to the grandchild, which is such a great idea, but is giving me, you know, ideas for my journals and that sort of thing. So I think this was such a really great find, and I can't wait to, you know, get inspired by what's in here. Another thing I picked up is this binder, and it's just got some pages that I like the colors and stuff, so I think I'm going to use the pages for other projects like a scrapbook paper, but I'm thinking I might repurpose this into like an actual, maybe like a scrapbook. So I'll come back and show you what I'm thinking about, because I'm really thinking about doing something with some binders. A couple more things. I found some of these really fun wrapping papers. This one I love. It's like, it was 25 cents, And can you see it there? I love the kind of like different collages and colors. Like there's some birds I can see, some, and it looks like they were made with crochet and slow stitching, that sort of thing. Can you see that? I should open it up and show you. I loved finding this because, if I can get in there, because I can't wait to use some of these goodies in my maybe like my collaged pieces. Guess I'll keep the box, the bag for details. But do you see that? So it looks like there's laces for the dragonfly and lace there and stitching here. So oh my gosh, fabulous, right? And then of course there's the floral one, which you can't go wrong with flowers, and you know, perfect for scrapbooking projects and that sort of thing. And this one I think was 50 cents. Nope, 25 cents. So here's some paper for 25 cents. Visit your local thrift stores, my friends. Now, I don't go to the main ones like Goodwills or that kind of stuff. I go to like the smaller ones. I think this one's like for a church as well. So anyways, three more things super excited about, and I've tried some of these and I love it. I found these. So this one was $5 and this one was $2, and they are the Sussex brand, and you can see that this is the large, what are the, I don't know what the die is, but it's like a really big one. So I do have my Big Shot. I think it was the best investment that I had made with my scrapbooking supplies. One of, I should say, because I use that all the time. And let me show you how these come out. So for this little tiny clear lit, which I had not seen before, this is how it comes out. So I was thinking, because they call this a tag, a round tag, and I think this would make a perfect Christmas ornament. So for sure, I'll be using that, of course, as a tag, as an ornament. I like to see how I can repurpose these. And this was so cute. You've got your little glue. You've got your pencil. So cute, right? And then you've got the lovely little note paper. So I can't wait to, you know, make some projects with these, and such great finds, I think, anyways. So, and then I'll show you the last one, which I am still super excited about. And here it comes. This one, I think, is my favorite. $2. Now, it's a full scrapbook, and usually I think, well, I'm not gonna, you know, use a scrapbook because I don't scrapbook. I don't do the 12 by 12, but it comes with the whole thing. So I've got the die cuts, and then all this lovely paper. So for sure, I know I'm going to be pulling these out, using them in my projects. Okay, and then all these stickers, and also you've got like the, oh, does it have it here? Here, all in one scrapbook kit. So you've got pages, 20 acid-free pages, and then you have all these different things, including these like really nice, you know, double, triple layered embellishments. What are these called again? Anyways, you know what I'm talking about. So, loved my thrift store trip. I wasn't even going to go this time around, but I had an errand to run and I thought I would stop by, and I'm so happy that I did. So, that's it for these ones. So thank you so much for joining me today. I'll come back and show you how I'm continuing to finish my little zine. I might be making a couple more just to give you some different ideas. Now this one, if you see, it's got the rounded corners there. I did show you a little bit more on this one in my last video for the washi tape shop, which is some of the pieces I used. So I'll link that below if you haven't seen it. And thank you so much, ladies, for entering. I'm super excited to see what else comes in. Thank you so much. I'm inspired. And yeah, I'll come back and share some more projects, some tutorials. I'm working on tutorials for the last few videos that I shared as well. As my shoulder and my hands recover, little by little, I'm getting more things done. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.